In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out devices from your Telegram account step by step. This is really useful if you've logged into Telegram on multiple computers or devices and want to make sure your account stays secure. You can instantly remove access from other devices without changing your password. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once Telegram is open, look at the top left corner and click on the menu icon, the one with the three horizontal lines. From the menu that opens, click on Settings. Inside Settings, find and select Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram lets you control account safety and active sessions. Next, scroll down and click on Devices. Here, you'll see a section called Active Sessions. This shows every device where your Telegram account is currently logged in, including desktops, laptops, and mobile devices. If you want to log out of all other devices at once, simply click on Terminate All Other Sessions. Telegram will immediately log your account out from every device except the one you're currently using. If you prefer more control, you can also terminate individual sessions. Just click on a specific device from the list and choose to end that session. This is perfect if you recognize an old or unfamiliar device and want to remove access right away. And that's it. You've successfully logged out devices from your Telegram account and secured your active sessions. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides.